Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this MOUNTRAX Foot Massager that this brand sent to me for the video that I've been trying for some time, and I think it is really, really good. I have it here with me. I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds. But the bottom line is that this one is a really good one for, number one, you can actually use it at home office, for example, if you want to kind of like unwind a little bit and just like be kind of like more chill after a day of work or something like that, or when you're coming out from working out, or when you're coming out from a day of work or something like that, you can actually use this one. For example, for a time, you can actually have a timer right here, so you can work with a timer. You also have a remote controller, which not all of this foot massager actually comes with a remote controller, so having that one, I think it's super convenient. But this one offers you heat. Yeah, it comes with a heat function, also a kneading function, also a timer, and also, you know, the air compressor. That's you. Sometimes you don't want a massage, you just want to decompress your feet. So that's actually another good thing about this one. It also comes with a washable cover that you can actually unzip. Again, I'm gonna show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds, and just put it, if you have some kind of a stinky feet or something like that, you may want to put it in the wash and dry and just like put it back. And this one is up to size 12 of men. So let's actually take it on a closer look right now, and I put my feet on and I'm just gonna relax. So then I'm gonna just put my 2 feet right here. It feels already super nice. And of course, with the remote controller, I'm just gonna turn it on right now. So now it's on. It's gonna be kind of like in the default mode. Everything is gonna be on. The timer, the heat, you have the timer, the heat, power on and off, and then kneading and the air compression. So what I'm gonna do, actually, I'm gonna kind of like change the modes on the kneading. So just right here, this is number 2. Oh, wow. And this is number 3. Whoo! It's so nice. It feels so nice. I'm going to take my feet out in a few seconds so you can actually see the movement. And then I'm going to actually also turn off the heat and also turn off the timer, because I just want to use it for a longer time. If not, you can actually turn on the timer again, and that's it. And of course, the other thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to actually change the mode of the air compression. That's the low, that is mid, and that is high. And the high works really nice in compressing and decompressing your feet. Oh, it feels so, so nice. Let me see if you can actually see the movement on a closer look now. Oh, but wait, I just want to keep doing this a little bit more. So I'm pretty sure you can see some of the movement over here with the air compression. You can see that it's compressing right now. Take a look at the left one, and then it's going to decompress. And also you have the kneading. Take a look at that. It just decompress. So it's expanding, and then it goes back and do the compression as well as the kneading on the bottom part. And of course, you also have the heat. This is a really, really good device. Bottom line, this is a really good one to just chill, relax, and decompress your day with this super nice kneading, heating, air compression with a timer, massager with a remote controller. It feels super nice. The only thing I will probably suggest to the brand to do is prolong the cable a little bit. It's not super, it feels really good, really, really good. Just to prolong the cable a little bit more, but that's it. Otherwise, I like this product. I do recommend it. I'm gonna give it a huge thumbs up. I'm gonna relax a little bit more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Whew.